Are you thinking about studying hotel management in Malaysia? Some of the universities in Malaysia are very well educated in hotel management programs and have very high moral standards. Some of these are Spectrum University, King's College, and Alpha University. If you have a minimum matriculation, you can apply for Malaysia's hotel management program. An important aspect of the program is the internship, whereby you will have an opportunity for hands-on experience at hotels and resorts to use what you have learned in the class for practical use. It also educates you and then gives you an internship in a hotel management program. The program, Diploma in Hotel Management, prepares the students for a satisfying occupation in the hotel industry. It includes sound philosophy and craft-based learning, practical classes, with proficient residencies within the industry. Be fortified with theoretical knowledge and skills in hotel processes while working to gain applied experience. If you want to avail golden opportunity, then contact us.